Hey everyone, welcome to the TSR Tech University. Myself Raghav. As part of this video, we would want to teach you the linear search algorithm. The linear search algorithm is also known as sequential search algorithm. It is a straightforward and elementary search algorithm. It is used to find a specific target element within a list or array by examining each element one by one until either the target element is found or the entire list has been traversed. Now let's look at the algorithm steps. There are 6 steps that need to be followed. Step number 1, start at the beginning of the list that you are given. Step number 2, compare the target element with the current element in the list. Step number 3, if the current element matches with the target element, you have already found the target and the search is successful, so return the index of the element that you have found. Step number 4, if the current element does not matches with the target element, move to the next element in the list. Step number 5, repeat the steps 2 to 4 until either the target element is found or you reach to the end of the list without finding a match. Step number 6, if you have reached the end of the list without finding a match, the search is unsuccessful and you can return error signal, for example, -1, to indicate that the target element is not present in the list. Now let's look at the pseudocode. Assume that the function name is linear search. It takes 2 arguments. First argument is the array, contains all the variables, and the second variable is the exact target that you are looking for. Inside this function, run a for loop. That for loop should go over complete array list entries. For each of the entry, check whether it matches with the target by any chance. If it matches, the search ends, you found it, return the exact index where you found it. If it does not matches, in spite of going over the complete array entries, then return a -1. Now let's talk about the complexity. The time complexity of the linear search algorithm is order of n, where n is the number of elements in the list. This means that in the worst case, the algorithm needs to examine every element in the list to find the target. Now let's look at the use cases. Linear search algorithm is best suited for relatively small amount of data or when the list is not sorted. It's straightforward algorithm, but can be inefficient for large list. For example, let's take a large database or when the list is sorted, more efficient search algorithm is binary search algorithm because where it takes just the complexity of order of log n. In summary, linear search is a simple and intuitive algorithm for finding an element in a list, but its efficiency decreases as the size of the list increases. Okay, we reached to the end of the video. Thank you all for watching the video. If you really like the video, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.